Hi, gorgeous ladies. So today I decided to actually uh, make a little small video of my very simple eye routine. Actually, eye makeup, I should say. And I have very few products that I use for instant eye makeup. I have this MAC palette it's a go-to regular day thing for me. One brush, I just started using this I Am Amazing. It's on Amazon. I think it is waterproof. And Anastasia Beverly Duo Pencil. And just a mascara. I'm going to quickly show you how simple and easy makeup could be. I start usually with my eyeliner. So I actually already have the brow boost on. So I don't need to do anything for my brows. So that's one step less. So if you see, it's such an easy pencil to roll on. And I like to make it a little bit prominent. So to mix it, I have the blender, and again, I need my magnifier. If you can see, it's a 10 times magnifier. It just gives it more precise application. Okay. You can actually do this with the Radiant Defense from Rod & Field. It's another beauty product that the effect is so mind-blowing. This is a quick fix, but if you use that, you would love it because it is actually eye care, face care, everything in there. Okay, so that's one step. Just quickly. I usually start with a non-matte color. So this has a little bit of color in it. But yeah, you do the non-matte, lighter shade in the I never have time. It's just quickly doing everything. Lighter color in the middle of your eyebrows, on the so just on top. So I actually, and then the darker color in the middle. That's it. In the middle. If you don't know what to do, just go with the flow, and the darkest at the very end. And then just you can keep going. If you have a black color, it's even more beautiful. And that's it. If you see, that's it. You got your color. Simple, elegant, easy, done. One trick that I have learned, if you want to not have to apply eyeliner and you still want your mascara or your eyelashes to look huge, big, prominent eyes, just do this. Okay, so I'm going to take care of my eyes later. So you need to have a waterproof eyeliner which will not seep when you are putting it in your waterline. So you see that? I'm going to show you how simple trick and how much of an effect it can have. And it's more natural looking, and again, it doesn't take long. And you can, I don't know if you can see the difference. It just makes such a huge difference in your eye makeup, even if you don't have time. In this picture you can't see, but I can see it just suddenly makes my eyes pop up and make it bigger. And I just make sure this process I do no matter how busy I am, because it just makes my life very easy. And then quick mascara. So quick tip about mascara, you start again waterproof so that doesn't seep. I actually put a little bit of makeup before going for my gym fitness, and you start with the periphery and then on the lower bottom as well. Dab. And if you do the zigzag up, that's even better because that's gonna give you more of the product. So first up, and then the lower portion, and then my mascara is really thick. It's waterproof, so I don't need to do. Otherwise, if you have less product, you can do ziggle. If you see, I put a lot of product that I always need. I actually don't have it here, but I always have a cotton swab to remove it. Okay, so that's it. That's my simple trick. Make sure you are using the eyeliner in your waterline. That's the most important thing. See you guys.